Let's go to page 66 and let's do number 92. It says find the value of digit A if the 5-digit number 1, 2, A, 3, B is divisible by both 4 and 9, and A not equal to B. So you got 1, 2, A, 3, B. Okay, and it's divisible by 4 and divisible by 9. Okay, and A not equal to B. Okay, so in order to divisible by 9, okay, so this already 1, 2, and 3 already 6. So that means A plus B have to equal to 3, or the next cycle up means add another 9. Okay, so or 12. Okay. Okay, so that's that. Now, in order to divide by 4, the last 2 digits have to be divisible by 4. So that means first the lowest number is 32. So that means B will equal to 2, okay, and you keep going up by 4, so it will be 6, right? And that's it, okay? So now let's go and consider. So if B equal to 2, then A will equal to 1, and this one no good, right? Okay, cannot, right? Because B cannot equal to 2 over here. Now if B equal to 6, and then this one cannot, right? So this one only if B equal to 6, then A equal to 6. But A cannot equal to B, so this one is no good. Okay? So the only one that is good is this one here. Okay, so when you put in here, you're going to get 1, 2, the A is 1, and B is 2. Okay, and so that would be your number. Okay, let's go to 93. Find the unit digit of, so you got 3 to the 1986 minus 2 to the 1986. Looking for the unit digit. Okay, so let's go and do the 3. So 3 to the 1 power equal to 3, 3 squared equal to 9, 3 to the 3 power equal to 27, so write down 7, 3 to the 4th power, so times by 3 get 21, so it will be 1. So once you get to the 1, that's like the one you're looking for. Because if you continue 3 to the 5 equal to 3, so you can see that it's a cycle of 4. Okay, so this one you can keep going back in the cycle of 4. So 1986 divided by 4. Okay, or you can just keep minusing 400. Okay, you can do it either way. So I'm going to minus 1600 instead of divide. Okay, so I get 386. I'm going to minus 200. Right, I can keep multiply keep subtracting, going back to the cycle of 4. Right, so all these are multiple of 4. So 186 minus 186 minus 80, I get 6 minus 4, I get 2. So this is same as the 2. Okay, so from these, it's going to equivalent to 3 squared, okay, and this will give me a 9. Okay, now I'm going to do the 2. So for this one over here, so 2 to the 1 equal to 2, 2 to the 2 equal to 4, 2 to the 3 equal to 8, 2 to the 4 equal to 16, so write 6, 2 to the 5 equal to 12. Okay, again, notice it's cycle 4. So from here, we know that cycle 4, you're going to end up at 2, right? So these is going to be same as 2 to the 2, and so it'll be a 4. Okay, and so when you subtract, you're going to get a 5. Okay, so this is kind of a little bit long. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 94. Okay, 94. In how many ways can a debt of $69 be paid exactly using $5 bills and $2 bills? So this one you can just go ahead and make a table. So $5 bills and $2 bills. So you start with the $69, So you can start with 2 of these. So you got 65, so it'd be 13, right? And from there, so then after you have to exchange 2 $5 bill for 5 $2 bills. So this have to go by 2s, and this will go increase by 5. Okay? So that means you exchange 2 $5 bills, which is $10, into 5 $2 bills. Okay? So you can see the pattern. So you go by 2s, and this increase by 5. So go by 2s, increase by 5. Go by 2, increase by 5. Okay, go by 2, increase by 5. Go by 2, increase by 5. And so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 ways to do it. Okay. Let's go to 95. Okay, so it says find the sum of all 4-digit natural number in the form of 4AB, 4AB, 8. Okay, which are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 9. Okay. So divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 9. Well, you can forget about 2 and 4 because if it's divisible by 8, then you can divide by 4, right? And you can forget about the 3 because if it's divisible by 6, then you can divisible by 3. I mean, if you can, yeah. Okay, so only one you have to consider this, but this does give you a clue, though. Okay, because if it's divisible by 4, that means this has to be divisible by 4. So you can have b equal to 0, okay, or 2, or 4, or 6, or 8, right? So we can make a table, okay. So you can have the 4a, b, 8. So we can put this number in here, so we can have the z. Oh, by the way, also the 9. We can do the 9, right? So in order to divisible by 9, then a plus b have to be equal to, since this is already 12, so you have to go to 18. So this have to equal to 6, or the next cycle plus 9, so equal to 15. Okay, so you have to fulfill all those requirements. Okay, so let's go and do this. So if b equal to 0, then a have to equal to 6, right? And so this would be 4, 8. And this also has to divisible by 8. So you can do additional checking. Okay, so can this 608 divide by 8? Okay, so you can try. So this one works. Okay, so we found one number already. So we just continue. So when b equal to 2, so b equal to 2, a equal to 4. Okay, and we can do all the checking there. Let's get all the numbers first. So when b equal to 4, so when b equal to 4, a equal to 2. Okay, when b equal to 6, when b equal to 6, a will equal to 0. Okay, but also we can get it to here now. When b equal to 6, a can also equal to 9. So we can get this one here. Okay, now let's go to the 8. So when b equal to 8, when b equal to 8, a have to equal to 7. Okay. Okay, so these are your numbers. So you can go and check, do the divisions. So can this divide by 8? Remember, in order to divisible by 8, you have the last 3 digits to divide by 8. So this one is no good when you try it out. Okay, this one is good. This one no good. This one is good. This one is no good. So the 3 numbers that are good would be 4608 and 4248 and then 4968. So you want to find the sum of all the numbers. Okay, so when you add all this together, you get 4, 2, 8, 1, 3. So that's your answer. So sum of all the 4-digit number that fulfill this requirement is 13824. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 96. Okay, so if a set of markers is placed in a row of 4 each, there are 2 markers left over. So this is the mod problem, right? So that's going to do the n, right? So you're going to get 2 mod 4. So you can 4 in a row, you get 2 left over. The row of 5 each, you get 3 left over. Okay, so it'd be 3 mod 5. And 5 left over on the row of 7. So you're going to get 5 mod 7. So what's the n? Again, the key is try to add or subtract so that this would be consistent. So notice this is always 2 less than that, 2 less than that, 2 less than that. So we're going to add 2. So n plus 2. So when you add 2, it becomes 4. 4 mod 4 is 0 mod 4. Okay, so at 2, you get 5 mod 5, which is equal to 0 mod 5. You add 2, you're going to get 7 mod 7, which give you 0 mod 7. Okay, so now from this we can see that n plus 2 is equal to LCM, because when the remainder is 0, that means you would divide exactly. So that means this is LCM of 4, 5, 7. Okay, and so n plus 2. So LCM of 4, all these are relative primes, so you can just multiply. Okay, so this is 20, 4 times 5 is 20, times 7 is 140. So minus 2 on both sides. So n equal to 138.